Alright, welcome to another edition of eastvandrone. Today we are in North Vancouver at the famous Cleveland Dam. Famous because it's been featured in so many TV shows and movies over the years. If you've watched a TV program or a movie filmed in Vancouver, chances are you've seen Cleveland Dam in one scene or another, including one of my favourite shows, The Man in a High Castle, which I've been binge watching recently, and here's a scene from it on the dam itself from season 1. So the dam itself was built in 1954 to supply water to the ever-growing town of Vancouver. Capilano Lake forms the water supply into the dam, and the dam then runs the water down some pipes down this valley and into the city of Vancouver in the distance. It's part of a 3-lake system, including Capilano, which is this one, and then we have Seymour, which is also on the North Shore, and then Coquitlam Lake, which is in Coquitlam, surprisingly. All 3 lakes are very restricted access. You can't drive in there, you can't even walk in there. There's fences all around, and it's regarded as being one of the cleanest water systems in the world. Someone told me once that we have enough water in the city of Vancouver to supply 10 million people. So that would suggest that the city has got a lot of growing to do. Looking at Grouse Mountain, the Grouse Grind, and the gondola up to Grouse Mountain. As you may know, this is a regional park, open and free to the public. However, as I came out of the parking lot, I did notice a sign saying no drones due to a helicopter port being nearby. There isn't one, and I thought that was a little bit devious. But I think if you fly in this spot and you're a little bit further away from the crowds, you should be okay. The dam is huge. It's about a 91-meter drop from top to bottom. And because it had been raining, there was lots of water coming over. I did not fly the drone in the chasm here because it is very windy, very unpredictable, and the winds are all over the place. So here's a map showing there's no heliports or anything of the kind nearby. And there's my flight path for the day. I didn't go very far. I went up to about 60 meters, 70 meters. Didn't go far out. Thanks for watching eastvandrone. Always much appreciated. And we'll see you next time.